My name is Mary. I live in a small town. It is a quiet town. People know each other. Nothing big happens here. I have a normal life. I wake up. I go to work. I come home. Every day is the same. One day something changes. It is a rainy afternoon. I leave work. I do not have an umbrella. I forgot it at home. The rain is strong. The wind is cold. My clothes are wet. My hands are cold. I walk quickly. Then someone stops near me. A man. He is tall. He wears a black coat. He holds a red umbrella. He looks at me. He smiles. "Take this," he says. He gives me the umbrella. I look at him. I don't know him. He is a stranger. "But this is yours," I say. He shakes his head. "No, it's for you. You need it." Then he walks away. He disappears into the rain. I stand there with the umbrella in my hand. I watch him walk away. Who is he? Why did he help me? I open the umbrella. It is big. It is red. It keeps me dry. I walk home. I think about the man. I want to see him again. Yo show 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 show. The next day, the sky is clear. The sun is shining. But I go to the same place. I wait. People walk by. Children laugh. Cars move. Then I see him. He is standing near the corner. He sees me. He smiles again. I walk to him. "Thank you for the umbrella," I say. He nods. "You're welcome. I'm David." "Mary," I say. We talk for a few minutes. His voice is soft. He is kind. He tells me he lives near the park. He likes the rain. He likes helping people. He says little things can change a day. I smile. We say goodbye. I walk home again. This time I feel warm inside. I think about David. I don't know him well, but he makes me feel happy. Maybe I will see him again. Maybe this is just the beginning. The next day I go back to the same place. It is 4 o'clock. I finish work and walk slowly. My heart is excited. Will I see David again? I look around. I wait near the shop where we talked. Many people walk past me. But I only look for one face, David's. Then I see him. He is across the street. He waves at me. I wave back. He crosses the road and comes to me. "You're here again," he says. "Yes," I say. "I wanted to thank you again." We sit on a bench near the bus stop. We talk. He tells me about his day. He works part-time in a bookstore. He likes books. He likes quiet places. I tell him I work in an office. We smile. We laugh a little. Talking to David feels easy. The next day I see him again.
And the day after that. And the day after that. Now we meet every afternoon. We talk for 20 minutes. Sometimes more. One day he brings me a small gift. It is a book. The book has a red flower on the cover. For you, he says. Thank you, I say. I open the first page. Inside, he writes, For Mary, a beautiful person with a warm heart. I don't know what to say. No one has ever said that to me before. I feel shy. But I also feel happy. David is different. He listens when I speak. He remembers small things I say. He laughs at my jokes, even when they are not funny. Sometimes we drink tea together. Sometimes we walk in the park. Once he brought a flower and gave it to me. Just one flower. A white one. Simple, but sweet, he said. Every time we talk, I feel lighter. I feel like I am not alone. One evening, I ask him, Why are you always so kind? He smiles and says, Because I know what it feels like when no one is. His words stay in my heart.
Pochuku, pochu, 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 chu, chu, sho, chu, chu, sho, sho, cho, sho, 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 sho.
I wake up feeling happy. It is Friday. I always see David on Fridays. We meet after work. We walk in the park. We talk. We laugh. I look forward to it all day. At 4 o'clock, I leave the office. I walk to our meeting place. It is a small bench near the big tree. I wait. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. 15 minutes. I look at my phone. No message. No call. Maybe he is late. Maybe something came up. I wait 30 more minutes. But David does not come. The next day I go again. Maybe he will be there. But he is not. I sit on the bench. I watch people walk by. But I don't see David. I try to call him. No answer. I send a message. No reply. This is not like him. The next day, I go again. Still no David. I feel worried. Did something bad happen? Did I do something wrong? I look through my phone. I read our old messages. All his words were kind. All his notes were sweet. I hold the red umbrella in my hand. I open the book he gave me. His words still make me smile. But now they also make me cry. I miss him. I miss his voice. I miss his smile. 1 week passes. Still nothing. I start to ask around. I go to the bookstore where he said he worked. But the man at the counter says, No one named David works here. I go to the park. I ask a woman who feeds birds, Do you know a man named David? She shakes her head. No, sorry. I ask people near the cafe. But nobody knows him. It feels strange. Like David was real. But now he is like a dream. At home, I look at his photo. We took only one picture together. It was a happy day. Now, I feel confused. Where did he go? Why didn't he say goodbye? I sit on my bed. I hold the red umbrella. Tears come to my eyes. I don't understand. David was kind. David made me feel special. David made me feel seen. But now, he is gone. And I don't know why. I could not stop thinking about David. Every morning I hoped for a message. Every night I dreamed of him. But there was still no sign. No call. No message. Nothing. I decided to look for him again. First I went to the park. I sat on the same bench. I waited. 1 hour passed. 2 hours passed. But David did not come. I walked around. I looked at every face. But he was not there. Next I went to the library. Maybe he liked to read. Maybe he spent time there. I asked the woman at the front desk, "Do you know a man named David? He is tall, with kind eyes. He likes books." She shook her head. "No, sorry, I don't know him." I felt tired. But I didn't stop. I went to cafes. I went to bookstores. I even asked a man who plays music on the street. But no one had seen David. I went online. I typed his name on social media. So many Davids. But none looked like him. Then I searched the town records. I found nothing. No address. No photo. No clue. It felt like he was never really here. I went back to the shop where we met. I stood in the same spot. I looked at the place where he gave me the umbrella. It was quiet. It was cold. I felt alone. As I walked home, it started to rain. I opened the red umbrella. It still worked. It still kept me dry. But this time it also made me cry. I whispered, "Where are you, David?" I missed him more than I could say. He made me feel happy. He made me feel loved. He made me feel seen. At home, I opened the book again. The one he gave me. I looked at the words he wrote. "For Mary, a beautiful person with a warm heart." I touched the page. Then I saw something. A small sticker on the back cover. It had a number. Maybe it was from a library. Maybe it was a clue. The next day I went to the library again. I showed the sticker to the woman at the desk. She looked at it and smiled. "Oh yes, this is from our old system," she said. "This book was donated by a man named David Eodell 2 years ago." I felt my heart stop. 2 years ago? I asked. "Yes," she said. "He donated many books, then he moved away." Moved away? So was this my David? Was he planning to leave from the beginning? I needed answers. I sat in the library. My heart was full of questions. David donated the book? 2 years ago? But I met him just last month. How is that possible? I looked at the librarian again. "Do you know where he went?" I asked. She thought for a moment. "I don't remember," she said softly. "But I remember he was kind. He always gave books with notes inside." "Notes?" I asked. She nodded. "Yes, kind words, just like yours." I left the library feeling strange. Maybe he left town. Maybe he didn't want to say goodbye. But why? I walked home slowly. My hands held the red umbrella. My heart felt heavy. When I reached home, I sat on my bed. I opened the book again. This time I flipped every page. Then something fell out. It was a small paper. A note. It was written in his handwriting. It said, "Mary, if you're reading this, thank you. You made my last days in this town beautiful. I never meant to disappear. But sometimes goodbye must be quiet. I left something for you. Go to the bench under the old tree. My heart beat fast. He left me something? I put on my shoes. I ran out the door. I didn't care about the time. I didn't care about the cold wind. I ran to the park, to the old bench where we first talked. I looked around. Nothing. Then I looked under the bench. There it was. A small box, wrapped in red paper. My hands shook as I picked it up. I sat down. I opened it. Inside was a small necklace, a silver heart, and a letter. The letter said, "Dear Mary, you are a light in a dark world. Our time was short, but it was real. I didn't tell you everything. I was sick. That's why I had to go. I didn't want you to see me weak. But I wanted you to remember me happy. Please wear this necklace and smile. You changed my life." "David," I cried. Tears fell down my face. Not because I was sad, but because I finally understood. David didn't leave me. He gave me the best gift of all. Love, kindness, and a beautiful goodbye. Now I wear the necklace every day. I walk by the bench. Sometimes I still look for him. But deep inside I know he was never really gone. He lives in my heart. Forever.